Everyone's talking about artificial intelligence, but here's the truth. Most people are just using it to write essays, create memes, or generate random pictures. Meanwhile, a small group of people are quietly making serious money with it, building businesses, automating income streams, and creating opportunities that didn't even exist 2 years ago. Today, I'll show you 5 practical, real-world ways you can start using AI to make money right now. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I'm Jamal Khan. I'm an entrepreneur, a deal maker, tax advisor, and a financial strategist. I created the EliteHub app, an exclusive networking platform built for ambitious people to connect, collaborate, and find high-value opportunities and deals. EliteHub is growing fast, with thousands of new members joining every week. You can download the EliteHub now and join a community that's all about growing knowledge and sharing ideas. The link is in the description. Now let's talk about how you can turn AI into actual income. The fastest way to make money with AI is to use it as your creative assistant and sell the results. For example, businesses pay for content every single day: blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions. You can use tools like ChatGPT to write them faster than any traditional writer. Graphic design platforms like Midjourney or DALL-E can generate logos, YouTube thumbnails, or even full ad campaigns. You don't need to be an artist. You need to know how to prompt. Video content, short form videos are all exploding right now. AI tools can edit, add captions, generate voiceovers, and even make faceless videos. You can offer complete content packages to small businesses who don't have time to do it themselves. Here's the key. Don't just sell AI content, package it as a solution. For example, instead of saying, I'll write a blog post, say, I'll write an SEO optimized article that drives traffic to your website. Businesses pay more for results than raw material. This is where you create something once and sell it forever. AI can help you build ebooks, templates, online courses, or even entire apps without needing a big team. For example, use AI to research and write a specialized guide on how to start a keto diet for beginners. Turn that into a PDF and sell it on Gumroad. Social media templates using AI tools, then sell them on Etsy. If you're more advanced, you can even build small AI-powered tools like chatbots or calculators and license them to businesses. The beauty here is scalability. Once the product exists, it can sell 24/7 without you being there. AI isn't just saving you time, it's building assets that earn while you sleep. This is where real entrepreneurs are making serious money. AI isn't just a side hustle tool, it's a force multiplier for existing businesses. If you run an e-commerce store, AI can run product descriptions, run targeted ads, handle customer service, and even predict which products will sell best. If you're in real estate, AI can analyze market trends, generate outreach emails, and manage client follow-ups automatically. In consulting, AI can process data, create presentations, and free up hours that you can spend in closing deals instead of doing admin work. When you save 20, 30, 50 hours a week, that's not just time, it's extra money because you can focus on high-value tasks. Businesses need help adapting to AI. You can be the person who provides that help. Right now, local businesses, restaurants, gyms, real estate agencies are desperate for better online presence, but don't know where to start. You can use AI to run Facebook ads, manage their social media content, build automated chatbots that respond to customers 24/7. The best part? You don't need a huge team. AI tools can handle content creation, scheduling, and even analytics reporting. Your job is to find clients and manage relationships. If you sign just 10 small businesses paying you $500 per month, that's $5,000 a month, and the majority of work is automated. Section 5, become an AI educator or consultant. The final way to make money is by teaching others. Most people are overwhelmed by AI. They don't know which tools to use, how to write prompts, or how to integrate it into their business. If you become the person who simplifies it for them, you can make serious income. You can create a YouTube channel, sharing AI tutorials, ad revenue, plus sponsorships, offer paid workshops to small companies, write a newsletter about new AI tools, and monetize it with premium subscriptions. Think about it. AI is new territory. Early adopters who can guide others are in demand. You don't have to be the world's top expert, just a few steps ahead. Here's what separates those who make a little money with AI from those who build wealth. They don't just use AI, they combine it with human judgment, strategy, and creativity. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. Anyone can generate content. Not everyone can use that content to build a brand, close a client, or create a product that actually sells. The biggest opportunity is not in competing with AI, it's in partnering with AI. Let AI handle the repetitive technical parts while you focus on vision, relationships, and business decisions. AI isn't the future, it's the present. And right now, there's a small window where the people who take action can set themselves up for the next decade. You don't need to be a programmer, you don't need a huge budget, you just need to learn the tools, find where they solve real problems, and move faster than the average person who's still just playing with AI. And I also want to remind you that opportunities don't wait, and neither should you. EliteHub app connects you with people, ideas, and insights that can push you forward faster than trying to figure it out alone. Link is in the description. I'll see you in the next video with another topic to broaden your mind. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Signing off, Jamal Khan.